Have you ever wanted to squeeze every last drop of performance from your graphics card, pushing frame rates higher and making your games look even more incredible? It is an exciting prospect, but without proper care, it can also lead to frustrating crashes and visual glitches. Testing your graphics processing unit overclock stability effectively means systematically pushing your card to its limits with specialized software, carefully monitoring its performance and temperatures, and then confirming it can handle those settings reliably during intense gaming sessions. This process helps you enjoy boosted performance without unexpected interruptions. The core reason why stability testing is so crucial after overclocking is that every graphics card is slightly different, even within the same model. This phenomenon is often called the silicon lottery. Some cards can handle higher clock speeds and voltages than others without becoming unstable. When you increase your graphics processing unit's clock speed or memory frequency, you also increase its power consumption and heat output. If these increases are too aggressive, the card can make errors, leading to visual problems like artifacting, or even cause your computer to crash as a protective measure. To begin your stability testing journey, first ensure you have reliable monitoring software like Hardware Info 60 or MSI Afterburner. These tools let you keep a close on your graphics processing unit's temperature, clock speeds, and power draw. Start by making small incremental adjustments to your core clock and memory clock speeds, increasing them by 25 to 50 MHz at a time. After each adjustment, run a robust stress test. There are several excellent tools for this, each designed to push your graphics processing unit in different ways. For general stability, programs like Furmark or OpenCL are popular choices. Furmark is known for its intense synthetic workload that generates a lot of heat, which is great for finding thermal limits. OpenCL offers various tests including shader, 3D, and VRAM tests. For a more real-world scenario, you should also test with demanding games you regularly play for at least 30 minutes to an hour. Pay close attention during these tests for any visual anomalies like flickering textures, colored dots appearing on screen, or sudden game crashes. An insider tip for advanced users is to understand the difference between synthetic benchmarks and real-world gaming. While synthetic tests are excellent for finding absolute maximums and thermal thresholds, some overclocks that pass synthetic tests might still be unstable in specific game engines. Always validate your settings with actual gameplay. Also, consider adjusting your graphics processing unit's voltage in small increments if you hit a wall with clock speeds. Sometimes a tiny voltage bump can stabilize an otherwise impossible overclock. By patiently and systematically testing your graphics processing unit overclock, you are not just chasing higher numbers, you are building a stable foundation for a consistently better gaming experience. This careful approach ensures your system performs optimally, avoids frustrating crashes, and ultimately lets you get the most out of your hardware investment for countless hours of smooth, high-performance gameplay.